Pre-Final Exam 2024 to 2025 General Science Paper I Biological Science Instructions 1. Question paper consists of 4 sections and 17 questions. 2. Internal choice is available only for Q No. 12 in Section 3 and for all the questions in Section 4. 3. In the duration of 2 hours, 15 minutes of time is allotted to read the question paper. 4. All answers should be written in the answer booklet only. 5. Answer should be written neatly and legibly. Section I Note 1. Answer all the questions. 2. Each question carries 1 mark. 1. What is the basic filtration unit in the kidneys? 2. Write a slogan on waste management. 3. Observe the given picture and identify the dominant trait in these plants. 4. Expand UNEP. 5. If a trait exists in 10% of a population of an asexually reproducing species and a trait P exists in 60% of the same population, guess the trait that have arisen earlier. 6. Read the given flowchart and find out where does aerobic respiration take place in the cell. Section to note 1. Answer all the questions. 2. Each question carries 2 marks. 7. Why is the use of iodized salt advisable? 8. What questions will you ask if you have a chance to meet a gastroenterologist? 9. Read the paragraph. Ozone, OMUDU, is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen, while ORINDU, which we normally refer to as oxygen, is essential for all aerobic forms of life. Ozone is a deadly poison. However, at the higher levels of the atmosphere, ozone performs an essential function. It shields the surface of the Earth from ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. For example, it is known to cause skin cancer in human beings. Answer the following questions. 1. How do ozone, OMUDU, layer protects us? 2. What is the effect of ultraviolet rays on human health? 10. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? Section 3 Note 1. Answer all the questions. 2. Each question carries 4 marks. 11. Write differences between single circulation and double circulation. 12. Answer any one of the following. A. Observe the diagram and answer the following. 1. Identify the parts A and B. 2. How many major regions are present in the human brain? 3. Which part of the hindbrain controls involuntary actions such as blood pressure, salivation, etc.? Or, draw a neat labeled diagram of the human female reproductive system. Label any 4 parts. 13. What are the problems caused by the non-biodegradable wastes that we generate? 14. Give suggestions to your friend to aware about reproductive health. 15. Read the following table. No. Name of the enzyme secreted acts on 1. Salivary amylase, lalajala amylase, buccal cavity, chekkili kuharam, carbohydrates, carbohydrateలు 2. Pepsin, stomach, కడుపు, proteins, proteinలు 3. Trypsin, pancreas, proteins, proteinలు 4. Lipase, pancreas, fats, కొవ్వులు. Answer the following questions. కింది ప్రశ్నలకు సమాధానం రాయండి. 1. Name the enzymes which act on proteins. ప్రోటీన్లపై పనిచేసే ఎంజైమ్ల పేరు రాయండి. 2. Where does salivary amylase secreted? లాలాజల amylase ఎక్కడ స్రవిస్తుంది? 3. What are the enzymes secreted by the pancreas? Pancreas ద్వారా స్రవించే ఎంజైమ్లు ఏమిటి? 4. To which life process does this table belong? ఈ పట్టిక ఏ జీవ ప్రక్రియకు చెందినది? Section 4 Note 1. Answer all the questions. అన్ని ప్రశ్నలకు సమాధానం రాయండి. 2. Each question carries 8 marks. ప్రతి ప్రశ్నకు 8 మార్కులు. 3. Each question has an internal choice. ప్రతి ప్రశ్నకు అంతర్గత ఎంపిక ఉంది. 16a. What experiment do you conduct to prove the action of saliva on starch? లాలాజలం స్టార్చ్ పై పనిచేస్తుందని నిరూపించడానికి మీరు ఏ ప్రయోగం చేస్తారు? Or, లేదా B. What is the reproductive process by which yeast reproduces? Which type of reproduction is it? Write an activity to observe it. ఈస్ట్ ఏ పునరుత్పత్తి ప్రక్రియ ద్వారా పునరుత్పత్తి చేస్తుంది? ఇది ఏ రకమైన పునరుత్పత్తి? దానిని గమనించడానికి ఒక కార్యాచరణ రాయండి. 17a. Contrast nervous and hormonal mechanisms for control and coordination in animals. జంతువులలో నియంత్రణ మరియు సమన్వయం కోసం నాడీ మరియు హార్మోన్ల విధానాలను వ్యతిరేకించండి. Or, లేదా B. How do Mendel's experiments show that traits are inherited independently? మెండల్ యొక్క ప్రయోగాలు లక్షణాలు స్వతంత్రంగా వారసత్వంగా ఎలా వస్తాయని ఎలా చూపిస్తాయి?